I'm hoping it doesn't go all 5. I'm really hoping it doesn't. Oh. Yeah, but you're seeing a lot of standard stuff from John Jones. Like, regular boxing, he isn't as loose. No spinning elbows, no spinning kicks. He's waiting too long. He's waiting too long. Oh no! I don't know what he's doing. He's hesitating so much. Like, if you want your title back that bad. I'm not used to seeing John Jones this stiff. He's not trying to take him down. He's not throwing. What's he doing? That's good? Yes, sir. Yep. Like. John Jones looks like the worried one. You notice that? Why is he running? Holy fuck! Like, all you saw was the wobbling.
Nice.
Thank God. I got so scared. Holy shit. That was fucking epic. Yeah! Yeah. Holy shit. Fuck.
I know, that was great. Oh shit, that was great.
God, I was like, I saw him wobble and I was like, holy shit.
Alright, you can stop it.
Oh, fuck that. Oh! Wait for it. A wobble. Oh, look, he trips him. He trips his ass. He wasn't going to stop till it was over.